Hi everyone, these are chair exercises for seniors. We're almost entirely seated today, and the one time we do stand up, we do it slowly, safely and together.
That's it, straight into the exercises.
Wow, that's good.
First one today is arms at your side, back straight, just lifting your arms up, shoulder height and down. If you can do 25, you've done very well. You don't need to do 25. You can start with 5 and gradually build up. Just nice and slowly. Don't forget when you bring your arms down, you're still working. Up and down. Nearly up to 10 now.
Wow, I thought we'd done more than that.
Okay, 11. There we go. You can either do a number, or if you've got a clock, you can go by time. But we're doing number. We're on 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Last 5. Here we go. 25. Come on.
Thought I was there.
22, 23, 24, 25. Well done. That's 26.
One for luck.
Lucky I can count. Right, next one. Shoulders up here, fists clenched, and then all we're going to do is open our shoulders.
One of my favourites.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then relax for 10 seconds, and then we can do another 10. Okay, here we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. And then arms down, just shake them out a little bit. Next exercise is hands together above your head here, and then we're just going to go back behind our head with our clenched fists, then back to here and then down there. All these exercises, all you need is a nice sturdy chair and a little bit of space, particularly if you're doing them with somebody else. Otherwise you could end up with a black eye.
Yeah, want to avoid that one.
Okay, here we go. Keep going. You're working well. You're doing very well, Caro.
Thank you.
You're nearly in time as well.
I actually think I'm going a bit slower than you. Normally, I'm much faster.
I know. Oh, you've just overtaken me. Okay, well done. Keep going. Last 5. 4, 3, 2, nearly got this together, and 1. Relax. Well done.
Brilliant.
Shoulders should begin to feel it a little bit now, just loosen them up a little bit. Okay, next exercise is hands just in front of you, and all we're going to do is raise them to here. Just arm curls. You can, if you feel particularly good, put them above your head. So you can go up to there and then up, down, back to there. Just going to get it in time. Down, up, above your head, down, there. By George, I think you've got it.
I'm not sure.
Oh, you're nearly in time. Well done. That's it. All these are good for your arms, your shoulders and your core. Hold your tummy in while you're doing them. Only another 35.
Oops, that one wrong.
Not really, just kidding. Last 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one. Well done. And just shake those arms out, your shoulders. You should be able to feel it a little bit now. Don't forget, you don't have to do 10 or 15. You can start with 2 or 3 and gradually build up. Okay, next one is arms out straight. And we're just going to be moving our wrists round in circles. Remember which way you're going round, because after 30 seconds, we're going to go round the other way. Ten seconds to go. You can either clench your fists or you can have your fingers out as you wish. Okay, and reverse. Arms out straight if you can. You can bend them a little bit at the elbows if that's more comfortable. Again, just do as many as you're comfortable with.
Gosh, really good.
Okay, last 5 minutes. Okay, seconds. And relax. Well done. Time for a water break now. And don't forget to keep breathing.
And don't forget to subscribe. It's totally free.
All right, hope you enjoyed the first half of those exercises. They were all to do with your arms, your shoulders and your core. We're now going to move on to using our legs. Okay, the first one we're going to do is just marching. Back straight, one leg up, then the other leg up. You can, if you like, put your arms up here. Okay, and try and get your knees up to your hands. If it's too high, lower your arms. Okay, just simple marching. Knees up, good for your hips, good for your legs. Only do this one for 50 seconds. Starting from now.
No chance.
Yeah, that's it. Well done. Keep going. Doing well. Don't forget, all you need is a chair and a bit of space. No equipment, no pressure. Just nice and gentle exercise. Keep you mobile. Last 10 seconds. Not too fast. Legs down, under control, everything under control. Well done. And relax. Well done. Next exercise, sit towards the front of your chair here. You can put your hands there if you like, or you can put your hands up. All we're going to do is stand up. Try not to get your knees over your feet and down. Under control. Whenever you're ready, Cara. Okay, up you go. That's it. It's like watching in 3D, this, isn't it? That's it. And down. We're going to aim for 10. We've done 3. 4. 5. Nice and controlled. 6. 7.
I nearly got you.
8. I'm waiting for a poke in the eye. 9. And 10. And relax. Okay, using your arms as well there. Right, next one. We need to do this in time, Cara, okay? Otherwise, again, you'll be treading on my toes. Here we're going to go. First one is just going to...
Yeah, okay.
Hip out and in. Out and in. Out and in. Very good for the hips, this. Back straight. We've nearly got this in time.
I know. Don't say speak too soon.
No, it can all go wrong. Can all go pear-shaped very quickly.
I can feel my hips.
You can feel your hips?
Yeah,
good.
Good.
As long as there's no pain. As soon as there's pain, stop. Okay? It's nice and gentle.
I just love this particular exercise because it still reminds me of a year ago when I was struggling to get upstairs because of my hips aching so much. So it's great to be able to walk upstairs normally now. Great exercise.
Yeah. Only another hour. Last 5. 1. 2. 3, 4. And last one. And relax.
Phew.
Well done. Okay, here we go. Now we're going to do some ankle circling. So it's legs out, one leg out, and circle clockwise if you like to begin with. Ten seconds or more, and then reverse.
Yeah, it's good.
Well done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and change legs. Here we go.
Give her a whistle.
Okay, and reverse.
I can hear Kiki
Growling.
growling. So I said to Anne, give her a whistle, see what happens. Nothing.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Okay, here we go. Well done. Don't forget to subscribe. We're nearly at the end. Last exercise coming up. Leg out straight. Hold it for 5 seconds. And down. Change legs. Hold it for 5 seconds. Point your toes if you can. And relax. Change legs again. And down. And change again. Went down without me telling you then. Good.
Right, just remember, hope you've enjoyed these exercises. This is the fall prevention third video in our series. And up here, I will add the second version for you to see and another video that you might be interested in. So, and please subscribe. It's totally free. No details are required. It would really help our channel. And to reach other people who might be in our situation where I had a fall and I've sorted my balance out a lot better, or we can't even open jars or bottles. So thanks very much for joining us. Oh, you finished.
Yeah, well done. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.